Alright, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to put the pegs on the back of the cow catcher. So you see there's three of them right here, and we can see here's all information about placement, but how big are these pegs? If you look in this picture, they got a cutaway right here. It tells you this peg has a 0.125 diameter, and it's typical, so all three of them have that diameter. So now we need to figure out where these placed. And if you look at this picture, it shows you where this bottom right peg is placed. It's up 0.125 and over 0.275. And then from there to the other peg, it's 1.25. And then coming in from this peg, this guy's centered at 0.625. And he comes up a height of 0.625. So we can get all those guys placed. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to create my circle. So first things first, circle is 0.125. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, on the back of my cow catcher here, I'm going to go ahead and make a sketch. Okay, let's flip this over so it looks like what we want. We're going to go ahead and create my three circles, and each of the circles have a diameter we set of 0.125. Okay, I'll put another one up here, 0.125, and put my third one down here, 0.125. Okay, now according to this picture, this one was, memory was up 0.125 from the bottom and over 0.275 from the side. So I'm going to go ahead and dimension up 0.125 to the center from the bottom, and over from this edge, from this very corner to this guy right here, is 0.275. So he's now in the right spot. Now if you look at our drawing, it says from this one over to this one is 1.25. And it's going to be at the same height. So I'm going to go ahead and dimension from this center to this center at I'm sorry, 1.25 across. Okay, and I want to set the height of it the same place. So I'm going to set it at 0.125. So now they're both at their right spots. Now according to this drawing right here, now we're going to come from this peg, we're going to come over 0.625, and that's where this center of this one's going to be, and from the bottom it's going to be up 0.625. So we just need to remember the 0.625. So let's do it from the bottom, set it at 0.625, and then from this circle to this circle coming over is 0.625, centering it up. And there we have it. There are three pegs are in the right positions. Now the question is, how far do we extrude these? So if we look at this drawing right here, see how it's showing the height of this thing is 0.6. And then they show us a chamfer on there. So let's deal with the extrusion right now. I'm going to extrude this one, and this one. And we said the height was 0.60. Okay, of 0.6 right there. And that looks excessively long. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm so stupid. Here, I wasn't looking at this right. The 0.6 is from here to here. All right. The height of this guy is right here. If you look at these two brackets right there, 0.125 typical. I'm such a bonehead. Again, I'm going to come in here to extrusion 3. I'm going to double click. All I have to do is change it to 0.125 and hit enter. That's much better looking. So there are my three pegs. But again, if you look on here, it shows you they have a chamfer of 0.01 by 45 degrees, and it's typical, so all three of them are that way. So I'm going to go ahead and hit my chamfer here. I'm going to say it was supposed to be 0.01. I'm sorry, let's do a 0.01 by 45. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick the face. And let me see if it'll let me do multiple faces. Nope, okay, we'll have to do each one individually. Face and then edge right there. And apply. I'm going to come down here and do face and then edge and hit apply. Then I'm going to hit face and then edge and hit OK. And there's all my chamfers on there for me. And there's my cow catcher for me. And all I have left to do now is to set the plastic, ABS plastic, and put whatever color you want to have on it. And there's your cow catcher. And I hope that was a help.